on the surface of earth, the direction of BE will be different. The direction of BE makes certain angle with the horizontal, that angle also will be changes. That's why angle of dip will be different at different points on the earth. Now see here, at this line, along this line, suppose this is a tangent. It is a tangent drawn at that point. So along this direction, this is the horizontal direction, means this is along the surface of earth, means this is the horizontal direction. B is also along the same direction. Now here delta becomes 0. That means along this line there is no dip. Dip angle is equal to 0. So are you understand? BH is always along the horizontal direction. It is remember that BV is vertical, and I mean BV is perpendicular to BH and also directed towards the center of earth. Directed towards the center of earth. It is remember that. So there is one simple application. There is one simple application for the game situation. For the same situation. Suppose here, this is an example. Very important. Suppose if the earth is considered as a short bar magnet with its center coincides with the center of earth, then the angle of dip delta at a place where the magnetic latitude lambda is given by. That means relation between latitude and also dip angle. Suppose this is the earth. Earth is taken as a huge magnet and this is a bar magnet which is kept at the center of the earth. This magnet is also taken as the earth's magnet. On the surface of earth, this is a point such that the line joining the center of earth to the point that makes an angle lambda with the equator, this lambda is known as the latitude. Lambda is latitude. Magnetic moment of the earth is going from south to north. This is the magnetic moment direction. So, in this magnetic moment direction, the line joining center of earth to any point on the axis that makes an angle theta with capital M. Theta. Now, at this point, the horizontal component of its magnetic induction is BH. It is always along the tangent drawn on the surface of earth. BH direction. BV, the vertical component. Suppose here, in previous lectures or previous videos, let us explain one formula for magnetic induction at any point P not lying on axial line, not lying on equatorial line. Like this. It is a bar magnet. North and South Pole. It is a point P. At this point P, this is magnetic moment M. M will be resolved into two perpendicular components, M cos theta, and another component is M sin theta. Due to M cos theta, the point P lies on axial line. Along the axial line, magnetic induction is equivalent to mu naught by 4 pi into 2m by d cube. Suppose it is R. Let here the vertical component. This is M. This is the angle theta. Component of M along this direction is M cos theta. Due to M cos theta, the component becomes mu naught by 4 pi into 2m cos theta by r cube. Its direction will be along M cos theta. Along M cos theta direction, this is equivalent to P1. Here also, this is M cos theta. Along this direction, the component BV is equivalent to mu naught by 4 pi into 2m cos theta by r cube. But it is remembered that BV is always perpendicular and also directed towards the center of the circle, center of the earth. Means E direction ravali. Along this direction, we should take the negative sign here. BV should be minus mu naught by 4 pi into 2m cos theta by r cube. Again, BH. Due to M sin theta, the magnetic induction at this point is equal to, means due to M sin theta, this point P lies on equatorial line. At any point on equatorial line, the magnetic induction is mu naught by 4 pi into only m by r cube. Here this is m sin theta kabatti bh is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into bh is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into m sin theta by r cube. So at this point the true dip is equal to delta. Then tan delta is equal to bv by bh. bv is equal to minus mu naught by 4 pi into 2m cos theta by r cube by bh is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into m sin theta by r cube. Here why the negative sign taken here? It is the component of bv, but bv is always directed towards the center of the earth. That's why we should take the negative sign by this value. Mu naught by 4 pi, mu naught by 4 pi cancel. M by r cube cancel. 2 into cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Also from the diagram, this is 90 and this is lambda. Total theta is equal to lambda plus 90. Suppose here theta is replaced by 90 plus lambda. Cot 90 plus theta is equal, lambda. Cot 90 plus lambda is equal minus tan lambda. Since cot 90 plus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So that's why minus this minus and minus plus. Tan delta is equal to 2 tan lambda. This is the relation between true dip and latitude. Tan delta is equal to 2 tan lambda. Very, very, very important. Right? Okay. Next again, what is meant by magnetic maps? Magnetic mappings. Magnetic mappings means the lines are drawn joining the all places of a magnetic elements which are called as the magnetic maps. But here remember these definitions. Magnetic mappings are of here five types. First one, isogonic lines, agonic lines, isoclinic lines, aclinic lines, and isodynamic lines. Isogonic lines means these are the lines joining all the points of same declination. సేమ్ డిక్లినేషన్ ఉన్న పాయింట్స్ అన్నిటిని కలుపుతూ డ్రా చేసిన లైన్స్ ఏమంటామంటే ఐసోగోనిక్ లైన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అగోనిక్ లైన్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ ది లైన్స్ జాయినింగ్ ది పాయింట్స్ ఆఫ్ జీరో డిక్లినేషన్. వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. హియర్ దిస్ ఈస్ సేమ్ డిక్లినేషన్, హియర్ దిస్ ఈస్ జీరో డిక్లినేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఐసోక్లినిక్ లైన్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ ది లైన్స్ జాయినింగ్ ది పాయింట్స్ ఆఫ్ సేమ్ dip. They are called as the isoclinic. Aclinic lines. These are the lines joining the places or the points of zero dip. Next, isodynamic lines. Isodynamics. So these are the lines joining the points of same horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. So here, isogonic, same declination. Agonic, zero declination. Isoclinic, same dip. Aclinic, zero dip. Isodynamic, horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field BH are same. Right? This is one example. Suppose here, if a magnet is suspended at an angle of 30 degrees to the magnetic meridian, it makes an angle 45 degrees with the horizontal. Find the real dip. Also from the diagram it is clear that a magnet is suspended at an angle of 30 degrees means the given plane lies at an angle of 30 degrees with the magnetic meridian. So theta becomes 30. So the magnet makes an angle 45 degrees with the horizontal. A freely suspended magnet makes at an angle with the horizontal, which is called as the dip. Tan delta dash is equal to tan delta by cos theta. Tan delta dash is the apparent dip, that is 45. Tan delta by theta is equal to 30. So tan delta is equal to tan 45 1 into cos 30. Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. So delta is equal to tan inverse of root 3 by 2. This delta is known as the true dip. Thank you.